What if I told you you could create content, inbound marketing content, such as information in your bio, your personal narrative, business journey, your business brand story, your product service story, your audience, customer story, things you can put in your executive summary? What if I told you you could create that? Enough information for social media posts, blogs, articles, website copy, answers to interview questions. I mean, you name it, that you could create that and have a lifetime's worth of content to share out. A lifetime. Just to repurpose it. To spend your days at the pool instead of working sun up and sundown in your business, trying to figure out what content is going to stick to your ideal audience and attract your ideal audiences. Well, you can do that. Business owners and entrepreneurs all over the map, they have been doing that with B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop.